Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Travel, where we make travel easy and affordable for you. So by doing that, we take your personal credit and help you boost your personal credit scores to be able to qualify for the business banking products. We also realize that your personal credit is the nucleus to obtaining business credit, where we also help you build out your business credit so that you can get even more of the banking products. And these banking products are like business credit cards and personal credit cards that have credit cards with sign-on bonuses that come with the rewards of travel. You can get thousands of points so that you can actually travel for free. And the bank is pretty much doing that just by partnering with them by using their products. So we help you be able to get qualified for these products if you want help. And then we also educate you on the different ones that are out there available to you, so that if you don't need help being qualified for it, you can go ahead and apply and use it in your day-to-day life. Also, by watching this video all the way through till the end, we're going to give you the code to being able to become part of our VIP school group community. In our school group community, it is going to be able to educate you even more in depth about some different travel hacking tips, some different travel tips that's going to help you when you're traveling around the world to different destinations that we like to be able to travel to. Also, we have more information on building your personal credit, building your business credit, and then how to structure your business out and make sure it's 100% compliant so you qualify for banking products. Lastly, what we have inside of our school group community is the ability to learn about real estate investing. We have courses that go in about real estate investing, and we also give you an opportunity to be able to invest with us in some of these multifamily commercial real estate deals. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please watch the video all the way through till the end so you can get the code to being able to join us in our private community. In this next video that I'm going to play for you, it's in our business software, and it's going to go into business credit scores. So follow me here as we dive a little bit deeper into business credit scoring. I want you to be able to take the success scan if you have your own business. And when you take our success scan, I'm going to show you some easy ways that you can get yours to see if you're qualified to getting some of our funding products.
Your business must have strong business credit scores that are separate from you personally. It is a fact that in today's economy, your business needs all the help it can get to obtain the financing you need to grow and succeed. Business credit scores now play a major role in business financing and have become the determining factor in how much your business gets approved for, what interest rate you pay, and what length of payment term you receive. Most large corporate and SBA lenders have factored business credit scores into their underwriting guidelines. Now that we have determined the importance of business credit scores, let's take a look at who reports these scores. Experian Business Information Services. If there's a new kid on the business credit block, it's Experian. Experian is the leader in personal credit reporting and has ventured into business credit reporting. Experian has approximately 3,000 trade lines reporting to them. A trade line is any company that sends payment history into a business credit reporting agency. If you have a business credit card, equipment or vehicle lease, or a corporate account with any large supplier or retailer, they are most likely reporting to Experian Business. Equifax Business. Equifax has been in business credit reporting for a long time. They used to be called the Small Business Financial Exchange and only gathered credit information from member banks. While they have branched out from this practice, their major reporters are still banks. Therefore, anything your bank knows about you, so does Equifax. Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is the oldest and largest player of the business credit reporting agencies. Before the financial crash, Dun & Bradstreet had about 6,000 reporting trade lines. That number was cut by almost half due to the large number of companies they felt were hurting their customers by reporting because so many companies began to pay their bills late. This issue was primarily a factor of what lenders report to Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet reporters are primarily vendor credit lines. These are businesses that extend credit to other businesses on net 30 credit terms. That means if you have vendor credit lines for products or services that give you 30 days to pay, then they most likely report your payment history to Dun& Bradstreet. After you take the business finance pre-qualification test, we walk you through first checking your business credit scores and then building strong business credit scores that can help your business obtain larger amounts of financing and on better terms.
All right. So after you take your business assessment, we walk you through first checking your business credit scores and then building out your business credit scores so that it can help you obtain larger amounts of financing. Clicking down here, you're going to be able to put your information in here, and then press continue, and it will allow us to be able to see what you qualify for by running this, and one of our representatives will get back to you and letting you know what you qualify for as far as business credit cards that you have applied, that you can apply for, business lines of credit, and also our loan products. So with that being said, that is how our system works, being able to help you. And so I want to be able to extend the offer to you to join us in our private VIP school community group. Click the title of this video, take the title of this video, plug it in to our school group community group. By clicking the link below, it'll take you right there. Once again, inside of our private group, we are going to be going real heavy on different travel tips and tricks, and also personal credit and business credit. We're also going to be having some coaches come in and be able to train you on different aspects of real estate investing. And so we're going to be going live as well, so you can ask us questions that you might possibly have about any of the services that we provide inside of the group. You're going to be around other like-minded community people inside of the group as well. And then also, if you like this video and you want to hear more content just like it, please hit the like button. We feel like we have a moral obligation to be able to share this information with you. We're doing this for free. We want to make sure you are educated, and then you have the ability to be able to travel the world for free. We realize that freedom is the key. We're working on helping people become free with their time, helping people become free to be able to travel around the world wherever they want to be. Also being able to have financial freedom. So we believe that these are the pillars that's going to be able to get you there. So once again, thank you for your time. We understand that your time is way more valuable than money, and we understand how important money is to most people. So thank you again for dropping by, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Click that notification button so you can know when that is.